Good morning. So I've got here a Bernina 730. This is Betty Jane, and she's actually a 730 record. And 1969 was the year she was manufactured, and wanted to show you today what it looked like if one of your gears, your nylon gears, was broken. So first off, I'm going to post some pictures as well of the damaged cam, but I'd like you to listen to the machine for a second. There. You can just hear every couple of rotations or so, it goes, very slightly change in the motor speed. And I found that on both the minimum and the maximum speed. So on this machine, it's got a min-max slider over there. So I'm just going to change it to low or minimum. There you go. Now that is probably a very good indicator that there's something wrong with one of your nylon gears. So I'm going to open the top up. This just flips up. And it's this gear here. And this is where I will get you a nice picture. But it's that gear there that I found a crack in. It is so small, the crack, that actually it looks like it might just be dirt. So it's easy to mistake there being nothing wrong with that gear. But there actually is. So I'll post the photos here. And then I'm going to, at some point, take her apart, give her a more thorough clean. Because all I've done now is give her a basic wipe over to get rid of the surface dust. And I have oiled all of the points that are requiring oil, plus a few extras that I know are problematic, like this turning. Stitch width dial is extremely tight. So I will go in and do all of that work that's necessary. But this video is just to give you an idea of what it might sound like if your gears have a crack in them. And that's important because the gear needs to be completely solid in order for the machine to continuously turn over at the correct rate. That's what I will put images in here for. So I hope that's been helpful.